like, but I'm not a bully. I'm like screaming your hair for yesterday. I said, can I get in there? Can I get in there? No, I'm not ready. She wants to be in the video. I'm gonna be in the video. Can I be in your video? Can't hear you. She can't hear you. Perfect. Can I be in your video? Can I be in your video? Put that filter on, cuz. She's so like the baby. Who's in who face? I'm not baby. Who's in who face? Lexi. Take yourself, Pet. That's one of your places where no, she said it first. I'm coming. Come on, take her nowhere. They take us where Jardell is. Yes. Literally. Let's go.
Well, this piece of shit broke down. Oh no, wow. And it was having mechanical problems the whole time. Try to change the camera. Who else found this up? Damn it.